With an array of functionality, the Hado smartwatch, well, at the moment I've got it with this, the airbag style strap. And it looks neat on the hand. It also makes it unique and it's perfect for blood pressure monitoring. But some of us don't need that. We don't need blood pressure monitoring. We want the ultimate fitness watch. Get out there, enjoy activity, and pair it to your mobile phone. So there's a couple of extra accessories here in the box. If we dig down into the box, well, you get this. It's a neat black rubber band, non-airbag style strap. You can simply use the little pins on the strap here. You can unclip the band itself, then replace it with the one that comes in the packaging. This gives it a neat new profile. This is the black rubber one. Fits on, gives the watch a new personality, new feel, but still keeps a lot of the functionality if you don't need that airbag style strap.